how to create a MetaMask wallet in a few simple steps. First of all, go to official MetaMask homepage, then click on download, install MetaMask for Chrome, add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, we need to wait a few seconds. Create a new wallet. I agree. Type in your passwords. Click on secure my wallet, reveal secret recovery phrase. Make sure to write down this phrase and store it safely. After that, confirm secret recovery phrase. Got it. Next. And we are good to go. We created a MetaMask wallet. For more useful videos, please click that subscribe and like button. Thanks and see you in the next video.